Hi, and welcome to AI Real Highlights for Conveyancing Newcastle, trusted residential property services in Charlestown. I'm your host, Connie. Let's dive in, shall we? Today, we're highlighting the vital role of expert residential property conveyancing. Buying or selling a home can feel quite overwhelming, couldn't it? That's precisely why Conveyancing Newcastle in Charlestown is dedicated to ensuring your transaction is as smooth and stress-free as possible. We focus on transparency, efficiency, and guiding you through every single legal requirement with precision and great attention to detail. Our aim is always clear communication, keeping you fully informed at every stage. So, if you're looking for peace of mind in your property journey, you've certainly come to the right place. And remember, if you need property advice, please do book a call with our conveyancing expert. Now, let's talk about the real benefits of having us on your side. With Conveyancing Newcastle, you'll experience swift property transactions, ensuring things move along efficiently. We provide expert legal guidance, navigating those often complex property laws so you don't have to worry. You'll receive clear, timely updates because being informed is absolutely crucial, isn't it? Our meticulous document handling means every detail is precisely taken care of, and you'll always get personalised client care tailored to your unique needs. We understand that this is a significant step, and our transparent and trustworthy approach means no hidden fees or nasty surprises. Whether you're buying or selling in Charlestown, we're here to make it easier, allowing you to focus on your new home while we handle the intricacies. We're truly here to help you unlock your dream home with ease and absolute confidence. Let's demystify some of those common questions you might have about conveyancing. Firstly, what exactly is it? Well, residential property conveyancing is the legal process of transferring property ownership from one person to another. It involves contract preparation, conducting vital searches, and managing settlement, all to ensure a smooth transition. How long does it typically take? Usually between 4 to 6 weeks, though complexity can influence this. What do you need to provide? Essential documents like personal ID, property details, and financial info. Don't worry, we guide you. Are there hidden costs? Absolutely not. We believe in full transparency, outlining all fees up front. And finally, can you handle it yourself? While technically possible, we highly recommend a professional. Even minor mistakes can lead to significant issues, and our expertise ensures a far smoother, stress-free experience for you. You deserve that peace of mind. So, why choose us for your property journey, particularly here in vibrant Charlestown? With Conveyancing Newcastle, you're not just getting a service, you're gaining a trusted partner dedicated to your peace of mind. We understand the local landscape and compliance matters, ensuring your transaction is not only smooth, but also legally sound. Our commitment to clear communication means you're always in the loop, without confusing jargon. We streamline processes, ensuring quick turnaround times so you don't experience unnecessary delays. This saves you valuable time and money, helping you avoid costly mistakes. We're here to protect your interests, manage all the intricate paperwork, and coordinate with all relevant parties, turning uncertainty into confidence. When it comes to buying or selling one of life's biggest assets, having experts by your side truly makes all the difference. Reach out today and experience